Welcome to the Sampling Protocol Method Report tutorial. This is Chaz
and Ashley
with the VGS Dev team. This tutorial will show you how to generate a sampling protocol method report. A sampling method report summarizes data collected for one event by method.
To run a method report, open the site window, then select the Log tab. In the Log tab, you will see all of the events when data collection has occurred. Click on the plus sign next to the event of interest. Select the plus sign next to the form name, highlight the method, select Reports, Method Reports, then the desired method report. The report options window will open. You can choose an alternate title for your report instead of the default. There are several display options for the report depending on the method. This includes displaying alternate ground cover category names, common names, alternate common names, and species groups. Please see the various list tutorials for more information. If these report options will be used for future reporting, select Save as Defaults.
Select Run Report. The report preview window will open. For more information on report presentation and modification, please see the Reporting Options tutorial. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For user support, please contact the VGS Dev team at vgs.arizona.edu.